guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my unboxing of, or unbagging I should say, of Ipsy and Sephora Play. These are both my August boxes. This month I felt like it took forever for my Sephora to come. It actually sat for like almost a week before it finally moved. I thought I wasn't going to get it at all. But let's open it first. This is the little Insider Beauty School. I already took off the 50 points because I always put that in my wallet as soon as I get it. And this is what the bag looks like. It's cute because it has its little rulers and back to beauty school. And it has like school and beauty. So I like that. The first thing I grabbed out of here is from Way. This is a shampoo and conditioner for volume. I always love, I know other people don't like foil packets, but I kind of like the shampoo and conditioners because you can try them and see if it's something that you might want to try more of, a bigger sample or not. So, and Way, I haven't tried a lot from Way. Next in here is a really good size actually. This is from Origins. This is the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I have gotten a foil packet of this before, and I really liked this, and it is pink. I'm not gonna I don't wanna waste any of it, but this does have some scrub in it, so you put it on, but then as you're, after you are rinsing it off, you get that exfoliation with it too. I really did like this, so I'm excited to have a bigger size of it. There's another pretty big size thing in here. It is from the Living Proof. It is the TBD Multitasking Styler. So you apply to wet hair to blow out or to dry hair to tame or deconstruct. I don't blow dry my hair and I don't really put products in it when it's dry. So I actually might just pass that one along because I don't think I'll get enough use out of it. And I know I have at least one more of those that I just got, and I want to say maybe I got another one. I don't know. Ooh, this is something that I know I like. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, or ABH. It is the Clear Brow Gel. This is the best brow gel, although it will make you feel like your eyes might have glue in them. So be warned about that, but I am excited about that because I do really like that, and I will always take a backup of it. I don't think I need to buy brow gel for at least a year now because I have a couple of them. Next is from Makeup Forever. This is a lipstick in the shade C211. Actually, I recognize that number because that is one lipstick that I do have at home. I have a full size of this, and I might have a sample or two. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm sorry, that's kind of sucky of me, but I'm going to put this to pass along because I don't need another mini lipstick in a shade that I know I have. I really do like that color. It's a nice color. Next is from Hoola. This is, or from Benefit. It's the Hoola bronzer. This is really cute packaging, and that's the size it is. I will show it, but I'm not going to swatch this one either because I have several of these actually in my pass along because I don't use bronzer all that much, and I have so much bronzer that I will never go through it all, so I would rather pass this along to someone who will use it. So looking at Ipsy this week, I mean not Ipsy, Sephora, the extra packet shampoo and conditioner, I'm happy about that. I do love my perfumes, but that's fine. Brow gel, excited about the brow gel. I know it's really good. I don't want to pay $20 for a brow gel though, so I'm glad to have that. This one is good as well. I do like this product as well. Sorry, I needed a drink. Something was starting to form in my throat, a tickle. This I'm probably going to pass along because I don't do a lot of hairstyling, especially something that needs to be used with a blow dryer. Like I said, I have multiples of that I will be, so I will be passing this along. I have one this size that I have open, and I have one that I depotted that's the same size that's in a Z palette or a magnetic palette, so I rarely don't need any more. And then the lipstick is one of my favorite shades, but like I said, I already have it in full size, so I will be passing that along. So it's kind of like a 3 for 3, 3 that I will be keeping, 3 that I am going to pass along. So let's open Ipsy next. This is not my favorite bag. I do like the material. It's a nice material, but It's not my favorite color by any means. They always give you one of these. Selfie with no filter is this month's theme, but they're pretty worthless. I just end up throwing them on the floor and putting them in the recycling later on. All right, the first thing I grabbed from here is from Ciate, London. It is the Glow 2 highlighter. So this must be a highlighter. And it is one that you need to put in a Z palette, so I will be keeping the packaging until I get home. This is a really pretty shade. I know I have some stuff from Ciate, London, but I don't remember playing with it much. I don't know if I've seen their highlighters in store. So that is what it looks like. That's really shiny. I do like that aspect of it. So it might show some promise. Clean off my finger really fast. Next in here, this is what was making this crinkly sound. It is a brush, and I love getting brushes. So this one is from SL Miss Glam. It is the SG62. It is very sparkly. This actually would be like a great highlighter brush. Maybe even like if you did it sideways, you could do a nice contour with it. I do love her brushes. They're always so pretty. So doing good so far, Ipsy, doing good. Next is something from Pixie by Petra. It even says it on its little bubble wrap. Not very satisfying bubble wrap though. This is a blush in the shade Beach Rose. It's actually sealed. And this is not my favorite color of like type of blush. And I've kind of reached the point where I have so many blushes that I need to start passing some along. So I think I'm actually going to put this in my pass along because it's just not a color that I look at and I'm like, oh, that's so pretty. So I'm not going to swatch it because I think it's just going to get passed along because I need to start passing along more stuff. Next is from Hey Honey. This is the Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Oh, nice. It does have a seal on it. So, yeah, it's hard to swatch masks anyway. But that's good. I really like everything that I have tried from Hey Honey. So far, it's been like one of my favorite skincare brands that I get in Ipsy's. Next is, or last is from The Balm. This is the Foiled Again palette. And I actually really want this palette just because it's so cute with the comic book feel to it. So this shade is Locked Up. It is like a silvery color. And I love The Balm's packaging. So I will keep this for that. And that is what it looks like. That's kind of a very light color that might be interesting. It's kind of has like a purpley shift to it. All right, so Ipsy, interested in the highlighter, love the highlighter. The eyeshadow, kind of nice. I love The Balm. So like, even if you give me just the packaging, I'm going to be excited about that. Hey Honey is one of my favorite brands for skincare, so I'm excited to try that. Love getting brushes. Love SL Miss Glam brushes because they are the prettiest ones there are. And then the blush, I mean, this is a full-size blush, so that's kind of nice, but it's nothing that I'm like overly excited about, but I still think like a full-size blush is really good. So I think Ipsy beat Sephora this week or this month because I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Whereas like I felt like half of the stuff I'm going to pass along immediately in my Ipsy. Let me know what you got in your Sephora Play and in your Ipsy this month. If you are thinking about canceling them, I'm kind of on the fence about Sephora. I feel like maybe I want to cancel it because I have gotten so many subscription boxes. But then I just heard that Ricky's is no longer going to be around after September. So I have a little more budget, I think, because that one will be going away. So let me know what your thoughts are on these two subscriptions, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.